This is the glossary of moves for What a Wonderful World. So what I'm going to do is I will give you the names of the moves and teach you how to do them, and the names of the moves go along with the lyrics to the song. After you have learned this really well, then you go to the choreography video and then you can do it with all the lyrics. So the way I'll do the moves is whenever I raise this hand, you raise your right hand, that's the one on this side. When I raise this hand, you raise your left hand, that's the one on this side. So you can just mirror my moves exactly. You don't have to try to figure out which way I mean, just do my mirror image. So the first move is called tree. You get your right hand up and your left hand gently grabs at the elbow, and then you pretend like there's a breeze blowing and you just let your tree blow in the wind. When I say the word, you do the move. Ready? Tree. Relax, one more time. Tree. The next move is rose. So I want you to use your left side for this move. You grab a rose and you pretend like you're smelling it. To make it look the best on stage, when you do this, you also raise your shoulders a little bit, you lean to the left, and you can even get a little bit on your tiptoes. So go like this. Now, if you are actually singing the song, you won't be able to breathe in through your nose while you're saying the words out through your mouth. So what you can do instead is you just do the moves. So it goes, I see trees of green, red roses too. So you can say, red roses too. And you still do the moves even though you're talking. So you won't be able to actually do the breath in. Okay, let's see if you can do the rose move. Ready, go, rose. Okay, one more time. Rose. So now go through the video over and over again until you know all the moves really well, and then turn over to the choreography video where you can do all the lyrics with me in order of the song. I hope this helps you out. Don't forget, Meg's Music Room, a music teacher's best friend.